Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vivint Smart Home app for camera and thermostat control step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Vivint Smart Home app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping the icon. You will be prompted to log in with your Vivint account credentials. Enter your username and password, then tap the login button. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of the app. Locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear or wrench. Tap the settings icon to access app configuration options. Select camera from the list of available devices. If you have not yet added a camera, tap on Add Camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi router. Once added, return to the main dashboard. Next, locate the thermostat option from the device list. Tap on Thermostat to access current temperature settings. To add a thermostat, choose the Add Thermostat option. Follow the prompts to connect your thermostat to the app and your Wi-Fi. Ensure your thermostat is powered and ready for connection. After completing both camera and thermostat setups, return to the dashboard. You can now access and control the camera and thermostat directly from the app. Adjust the temperature settings or view live camera footage with just a tap. Explore additional features such as scheduling and alerts to enhance your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.